drums, we got Mike. On the bass, we got Ennis. On the guitar, Wesley Chu from the film department. On the other guitar and vocals, Kusha Huja. And on the keys, it's the jazz master himself, David Lim. Alright. We had a nice first day. I said, let's take it back to my place. I just wanna take it slow when all you do is chase. My friends say you're no good, but I got nothing to lose. You're hot and crazy, got me stuck in your loop. Well, cause I might have a drink with you, and that's all that we could ever do. But if the love ain't strong, then we can't stay long. Cause you're a broken bird, and I can't take the hurt. I'll leave you at the doorstep, choking on your regrets. Broken bird, you're a broken bird. A few good days, but I think it's not gonna stay. I just wanna take this thing, throw it down the drain. You're trash, and I'm gonna throw you away. Oh well, I have a drink with you, and that's all that we could ever do. But if the love ain't strong, then we can't stay long. You're a broken bird, and I can't take the hurt. I'll leave you at the doorstep, choking on your regrets. Broken bird, you're a broken bird. All right, David, let's hear it. You're a broken bird, and I can't take the hurt. I'll leave you at your doorstep, choking on your regrets. You broken bird, you're a broken bird. Yeah, you're broken bird. You're a broken bird. You're a broken bird, and you're a broken bird, and he's a broken bird. Woo! Thank you, everybody.